Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today let me introduce your LeapBeast City helmet. This is an adult's bicycle helmet. A skater helmet with a ventilation. It's for safety, for teenagers, and of course young adults like me. For a stand, for scooter, for skateboard, which comes with an adjustable size as you need it. But first you have to choose between matte black, a little bit matte blue, matte gray, matte black as shown in that video, matte white, and dark blue. And of course the selected size should be M or L. In my case it is L for large. Right, skate or roll in any adventure with the first class protection. Conforms to CPSC, F1447 and EN1078 standards. Lightweight but incredible durable. The LeapBeast multiple sport helmet consists of a fully shaped ABS shell and a shock-absorbing EPS foam to effectively absorb the impact energy in the event of an accident and keep us safe. This classic skate design helmet with tan bands keeps us cool and comfortable for a relaxed ride or long day on our board. This inner padding technology wicks away the sweat, odor, and bacteria, so we stay dry and free of irritations. We can choose from a variety of matte colors that perfectly match to our bike and underline our personality too. Because this helmet is recommended for riders up to 14 and plus years. The bicycle helmet for adults, for women, and for men, and so on, is widely used for urban commuting, city roads, mountain biking, bicycling as well, but nice for roller skating, skateboarding, skiing, baseball, horseback riding, skating, scooter, and of course, pedelecs. Wow, that's really nice. This system here, we can adjust and enjoy a tailor-made fit with an easily adjustable strap design of an adult helmet. The bicycle helmet is designed to fit both man and woman comfortably and offers a secure and tight fit for nearly all head shapes. So for what are you waiting for? Here it comes, safety first, and fun comes then with that first step. We have a full form ABS shell protective and a lightweight. We have here an absorbed impact energy as well, with this nice design. This all and more brings us the LeapBeast City helmet. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.